to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the levels and fair value gaps that we had drawn yesterday. As you can see, this is the most important level that Nifty is trading around right now, and this is where all the liquidity uh, is where Nifty is eating into the liquidity around this level right now. So we have been tracking this from the 16th of April, and the idea was that Nifty would trade around this level for a while. For how long, we do not know. It eats into the liquidity and then a breakout either on the upside or on the downside. We do not know right now. So, there is also a possibility of Nifty making it look like it's going to break out on the upside and then falling. So we are not sure right now, but I'm still eagerly watching where it does break out right now. As usual, let's go and delete all the levels, all the analysis from yesterday and start afresh. So those of you who's here for the first time, what I do here is I start analyzing Nifty for a bias on each time frame, starting from a monthly time frame to all the way down to the hourly time frame. And I input the biases here manually. And this is an indicator that I'm testing for accuracy. So once this starts working out perfectly, I make small tweaks to it whenever I find some new scenario, and then once that starts working perfectly, I can get rid of this. But it's a work in progress. So let's start with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty, I do not have a bias on Nifty. Why do I not have a bias? Because for a bullish bias, we have to have a higher low created, just like it's here. If we were in February, Nifty was bullish. As you can see here, there's a high low created, and the opposite is true. Lower high is for a lower high creation is when we say it's bearish. So this is how a lower high, this is a high and this is a lower high created. So right now, I do not have a bias on Nifty, but Nifty is trading according to the monthly level, and this is the monthly level that's being respected right now. The swing low was buyer's hub, and that was taken on the March candle, taken violently, and therefore there will be a lot of stop losses hit, and those stop losses should have created a lot of sell orders there, and that liquidity is being eaten into all the way in since April 16. That is what's happening in the market right now. Until that's all done, we are not going to see a movement in Nifty. Well, it's an intuitive bias that Nifty could break out on the upside, but it may not work it may not work as my intuition says. But let's see what happens. There's a lot of analysis behind why the intuition is that it may break out on the upside, but right now we do not know when will that happen. It may happen, may not happen, but right now, so what we know right now is that Nifty is going to eat into the liquidity right here. We do not know how many days it will take. That's what's happening now. Where are the buyers? The buyers are right here. They until and unless they create new positions on a monthly level, which is going to take a few months. Right now, the buyers are right here. And moving over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, the bias on Nifty is bearish right now, because this is a swing high and this is a lower swing high. And so until and unless this high is taken, Nifty is bearish. So let's just mark that level and set an alert on it, just so that I know when Nifty turns. Nifty's weekly bearish bias is invalidated. There's a reason I'm setting this, because you'll know this while going forward. I'll explain it on the later biases. Now going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because you see, this is a swing low, this is a higher swing low, clearly bullish. Is there a level I want to watch out for? Yes, exactly. This level is what in the weekly level that I just marked and set the alert is what I want to watch for, because that is the target for any up movement in Nifty. Coming over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, this is a swing low, and this is another swing low, or this is a swing low and this is another swing low. So it is bullish. And coming to the hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame also, well, I just said also even before I looked at it. Why was I so sure? Well, this is a swing low and this is a higher low. So it is indeed bullish on hourly time frame too. So I wasn't very wrong, but I could have been. So right now, every time frame from the daily to the hourly is all bullish, and then it's very close to invalidating the weekly time frame too, but not sure when that will happen. Let's see what Nifty has in store. That's all from my side today. This was a quick one. I'm traveling and I do not have a lot of time to record things in detail. Um, I may not be able to post a video tomorrow since I will be traveling. Depends on the network's availability at airports. Once again, I am not a certified analyst and I do this only for education purpose. Thank you.